Before installation of the PUFP series boxes, the following conditions are required. To ensure compliance with local electric codes, please contact your local electrical inspector prior to installation of the PUFP series boxes. Do not install PUFP prior to electrical inspector authorization. Installation should only be done by a licensed electrical contractor. All power must be turned off at its source prior to installation. Failure to do so may result in injury or death. The PUFP-CT series must be connected to a GFCI circuit breaker. Failure to do so will increase the risk of injury. If at any time water enters into the PUFP-CT box, turn the power off at its source and have the unit replaced by a licensed and bonded electrical contractor. Lew Electric Fittings Company accepts no responsibility if the above conditions are not met. To install the PUFP series box, the following tools and supplies are needed: construction adhesive, crimping pliers with wire strippers, Phillips head screwdriver, drill. Prior to installation, a professional contractor should cut a hole in the countertop 4 1/16 by 4 1/16 inches. Always use the supplied PUFP WB stamp steel box. The tabs on the sides of the PUFP WB box will be attached to the bottom of the countertop using either wood screws for a Formica or wood countertop or using construction adhesive for all other countertops. Never attempt to install the PUFP WB box from the top of the counter. Alternatively, wooden blocks can be adhered to the bottom of the countertop and the PUFP WB box can be screwed into the wooden blocks using 1/2 inch wood screws. Tabs can be moved to the lower set of holes to accommodate varying depths of countertop. For best performance, it is preferred to mount the box with the top edge sitting lower in the hole, which leaves more room for the receptacle inside the box. Once the box has been secured to the bottom of the countertop, run wiring into the box per local electrical codes. When possible, use the 1/2 inch knockout on the side of the box furthest away from the front of the countertop. If 3/4 inches needed, use the knockout in the bottom of the box. 12 or 14 gauge stranded wire is preferred due to its flexibility inside the PUFP WB box. Insert the stripped wire into the quick connect terminal block, making sure not to leave any stripped wire exposed. Tighten screws to secure the wire to the terminal block. Excess wire should be pushed back out of the box or laid flat on the bottom of the box. Avoid excess wire from bunching in the box, as this will affect the ability of the cover to open. Place the PUFP-CT cover on top of the PUFP WB box. Remove the protective film from the cover and press the Open tab on top of the cover, exposing the screw holes inside the cover. Line up the screw holes on the cover with the screw holes on the box, and using the 2 screws provided, screw the PUFP-CT cover onto the PUFP WB box. Do not over-tighten. To close the cover, press and hold the Open tab, causing the latch mechanism to retract, then push the top of the lid down. While holding the lid securely down, remove finger from the Open tab and the latch mechanism will lock the cover into place. Repeat this process to be sure the lid pops up in a smooth motion. If the desired opening speed has not been reached, expose the tension adjusting screw and add or subtract tension until the desired opening speed has been achieved.